Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, teachers, parents, and dear students. Today, we gather at St. Paul Senior Secondary School, Avagar, to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our great nation. As we stand united under the fluttering tricolor, we are reminded of the immense sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Those brave souls who fought with courage, determination, and selfless love for the motherland. Today, we are not only honoring their memory but also renew our pledge to uphold the values of freedom, equality, and justice for all.
Esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow students, a very happy Independence Day to each one of you. Today, we gather to celebrate the 78th year of our nation's independence. A day etched in the history by the sacrifice, courage, and undying love for the motherland by countless heroes. It is the day the tricolor soars high, and we salute the nation that has given us so much. To begin our celebration, we are honored to have with us our Honorable Principal Ma'am who will hoist the national flag. I request everyone to stand in attention as we witness this momentous occasion.
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
हरगिज न डगमगाए देखो कदम तुम्हारे हरगिज न डगमगाए रास्ते बड़े कठिन हैं चलना संभल संभल के इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के ये देश है तुम्हारा नेता तुम्ही हुकुम के ये देश है तुम्हारा नेता तुम्ही हुकुम के
Of tomorrow, and their innocence and purity reflect the true essence of patriotism. Up next, we have the little stars of class first and second, who will recite a heartfelt poem that beautifully captures the spirit of our motherland.
We are the students of St. Paul Senior Secondary School, Avagar. Today we are going to recite patriotic English poem. I come from lands of sages, with culture rich for ages. I know value of zero, my soldiers are my hero. The mother pays the most, I love my country most. With golden sparrows fly, I will take to new life. No Pandit, no God, I am Indian first. Jai Hind.
emotions in the most respective language of our land, we now invite Priya from class 11 to deliver a powerful speech in Hindi, evoking the spirit of patriotism to us all. बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये वो दिन है जिसकी बदौलत भारत के हर कोने में शान से तिरंगा लहरा रहा है। एक ऐसा दिन जो जुल्म और गुलामी के खिलाफ लड़ना सिखाता है, आजादी की कीमत का एहसास कराता है। भारत आजादी की कीमत का एहसास कराता है। 15 अगस्त सिर्फ एक तारीख नहीं, हर भारतीय के लिए एक गौरव का दिन है, क्योंकि आज से 78 साल पहले भारत अंग्रेजी शासन की बेड़ियों से मुक्त होकर एक स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र बना था। आज के दिन हम सभी अपने स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के अनगिनत बलिदानों को याद करते हैं, जिन्होंने हमारी आजादी के लिए अपनी जान तक त्याग दी थी। उनकी बहादुरी और निस्वार्थ भाव ने हमारे लिए स्वर्ण भारत में रहने के मार्ग को प्रशस्त किया है। आज हम अपने भावों को अभिव्यक्त कर सकते हैं, अपने सपनों को पूरा कर सकते हैं और एक बेहतर भविष्य का निर्माण कर सकते हैं। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा भारत सबसे अच्छा देश है, जहां हम अपने हर सभी सपनों को पूरा कर सकते हैं, अपने दिल अपने मन का कर सकते हैं, अपने स्वतंत्रता को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Oh, really? That's great. Here is a letter.
Asma? Asma, where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you will be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, sir. What's the matter?
What is it? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had applied for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You have gone so far without informing us.
Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform and the valor.
Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you to face death every day?
If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl, you're not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will never send you. We are looking for a groom and you will get married as soon as possible. And you will get married as soon as possible.
Asma? Asma? Where are you? Asma? Oh my god, what is this?
Dear Mom and Dad, please forgive me for disappointing you. You have left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a brave soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma. Asma!
What is it? Why are you crying?
See this, our Asma has left. She is gone. Our daughter is gone. Please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. Do you think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She will be back. Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow onwards, intense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training. Louder! Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma,
and you are expecting to join the army with this seriousness.
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind only to join the camp. My father didn't consent to let me come here. I have left my home. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Group, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
So, delegate darlings, are you going for this staff training?
Leave it, yaar. They will run away in 3 days.
You are wrong. They will run away in 2 days.
Challenge.
Look at them. How will they survive here if they behave like this? I'm really nervous. Shall we quit? I'm also doubtful they will not let us survive here. No, I won't quit. I'm fighting with it at my home also. Why shall we give up? Just because these men think that we are weak, we can't be the frontline warrior? If we quit, they will win. I will try till my last breath. I want to break this taboo. We are also with you. Asta kept her promise. She didn't keep any stone unturned to complete her training. She tried and tried and tried. She failed, but only to stand up again. She didn't give up.
जीत का पता इन मुट्ठियों में आग पार भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा भीड़ से जुदा भीड़ से जुदा कहने को चलता है तुम लो है या चलता है तुम की शमशीरों से ही
Hello? Mom? Asma? How are you, my child? I'm perfectly fine, Mom. How are you and Dad? We are also okay. I'm always worried for you, and so is your dad. I know, Mom. I'm sorry for what I have done. But can I request you something? This 15th August, can you and Dad come here at our camp? Please, Mom. Please come. This Independence Day. Okay. I will try to convince your dad. Okay, Mom. I will eagerly wait for you. Bye, my child. Bye, Mom. I love you both.
Come, this way. Stand here.
But where is our daughter? Can you see her? No.
Excuse me, are you Asma's parents? Yes, sir. Major K.P. Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Asma's mentor.
Oh. Hello, sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the true. There she is, Wing Commander Azma Malik. We are looking big for our sons, and the dreams of our daughters are often torn off. Like this. Our daughters also need encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams. Yes, sir, you are right. I was wrong, and today I can say without any doubt, I am proud of her.
We are proud of her.
And now to keep this spirit soaring, we have a special treat for you. A motivational and patriotic song by the melodious voice of Miss Sharmila Ma'am. Let's welcome her with a hand of applause.
Academic director, my dear colleagues, and all the students. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to sing a patriotic song. इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्हीं हो चल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्हीं हो चल के। इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना, इंसानियत के
दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो और हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या पता कुछ होता है हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या पता कुछ होता है जाल तीरों को दिखा के जोर बाजू होता है जाल तीरों को दिखा के जोर बाजू होता है हिम्मत वरना खुदा भी होता है जा जमाने को दिखा के गुरबत क्या होता है सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में
Good morning. I wish everyone a very, very happy Independence Day. You're not excited about it? I'm really happy and glad to see everyone who have come here to celebrate this day as a family, because it's not just a day, because it's a day of celebration of the freedom and to honor the sacrifices who secure that freedom, right? This day, and as a citizen, it's not just a duty for all of us, but it also a responsibility to serve our nation. Our flag should always soar high, right? The saffron, deep saffron color signifies the courage. The white color signifies the peace. The green color signifies the faith and growth. And the Ashoka Chakra represents the duty and responsibility which you uphold for the righteousness for your nation. There should never be a discrimination on the basis of any creed, religion or caste, because we all are one. Because as the poem said, that we are Indians first, right? And I'm really happy to see you all, and I am proud that I am an Indian. Are you? Are you? Very good. I want to congratulate each one of you, the students who have participated here, who have come here, and I was really happy to see you all performing in a very graceful manner. The dance, the poem, the skit, English skit was phenomenal. And I want to congratulate and give a big round of applause to all the teachers who have really worked hard within a very short period of time. They did not even say no, though I know that they are very busy with their schedules and periods, and they are just getting one period. But they took some time, and this is also, respecting your nation by doing this, right? So I wish everyone again a very happy Independence Day, and thank you so much for joining in. And here's to a more courageous and brighter and more unified India. Thank you so much.
Our students stand tall today, full of passion for India, reminding us of the words of Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These leaders envisioned an India that thrives on unity, progress, and integrity. As we listened and we heard these inspiring words of our young orators, may we all reflect on the India of our dreams, an India that continues to prosper and lead the world, driven by innovation and compassion.